Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Jay. I'm back at it here again with the Crimson Camry. Right now I am sitting in my car. I haven't really showed you guys my interior. I haven't really done much to my interior yet. I added the little things, the little inserts with the red outline. Here's my steering wheel cover. I got these little extension paddle shifters that I'd never use. They're just for looks. This is something I got off of eBay. Came from China. Just a cover for the armrest. You know what I'm saying, with the red stitching. And then I changed the gear shifter to this, but I'll probably get rid of this eventually. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to show you my corny interior right now. It has a lot of work to do. But what I am doing today is installing this new package right here from HRS. Okay, so go ahead and open up. It's the heads-up display. Okay, from HRS Sports, HRS. It's gonna go right there. Okay, so we can go ahead and get into that a little bit. All right. Oh, I also did this too. I put these on like a couple weeks ago. They were silver. I had like some other like covers I had from eBay or Amazon, whatever. But I seen these like a couple weeks ago. I was like, ooh, that looks really good. And as you can see, it looks really good. And it matches the color too. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you need to do, what you want to look at, is you want to take this rubber trim, the door jamb or whatever you want to call it, out first. So you want to take this out, get a little, just pull it until you get it out, just like that. All right, make sure it's down, like just like how I got it right here. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to, I guess it's fine. I looked at the video. It looks fine to me. It might be in the way a little bit. I might figure out something for that. So I put it like this for now, so it's not in my way, like it's not just hanging in the middle. So next thing you want to do is take this off right here. Hold on, I might need two hands for this. But yeah, you're going to take this part off next. All right, so as you're pouring that out, you're going to look very closely at this piece right here. You want to make sure that you push this down right here and then carefully take it out, because you do not want to break that. All right. All right, so I got it out. You're going to have a hard time twisting that piece right there, this thing right here. This thing. You're gonna have a hard time twisting it. I used my little screwdriver and just like pushed it until it turned all the way. Now just pull it and the thing comes right out. I'm gonna lay it over here. So all right, next thing you want to do. All right, so next thing I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pull out the stuff that's inside. Here's the little display thing. It's gonna go like, right there, obviously. I'm just throwing shit all over my car. Here's a little wiring kit to it, and then they give you a little kit right here that helps you out. Honestly, like if you buy this and you got no tools with you, like I use, like how I do, you're set. They give you everything that you need to install this wiring kit. I said this wiring kit, this heads-up display. All right, yeah. So this kit's actually pretty useful. They get the little prying tools and little I don't even know how to call this. So pretty much when you put this film in, you're gonna have bubbles, and you're gonna use that to get rid of the bubbles. Okay, the little piece in the middle. You got zip ties. They give you two of these. I didn't know they give you two of the little things. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna need two. I think it's just if you mess up the first time. And they give you. I know this is not a manual on what to do. Oh, this actually tells you what to do. Low key. So if you don't want to watch this video, you can always look at this. I feel like the videos are always easier to understand than reading the manual. So yeah. So where we at? All right. So next, we're gonna sit here. Oh snap! Yikes. Anyway, we're gonna sit here and remove the speaker cover. That the display is gonna go with. I'm probably gonna need two hands for this, but you get what I'm trying to do. Just remove it. Actually, guys, you don't need this piece of crap. Say no, you probably gonna need it later on, but I legit just pulled it up with my hand. It wasn't even that difficult. Like it was like this. I just take it right out. You know, got the 2 tabs or whatever. It's good. So that's what the speaker looked like underneath. Pretty trash, but yeah. All right, guys. So after you take that out, next thing you want to take out is this little piece right here. It says you need to use the little shitty ass tool to put it in there. You can honestly, if you get your hand in there good enough, you could just, oh damn, I'm surprised I ain't break it. You could just pull it out, honestly. It's probably better off to use the tool, but it wasn't even that hard. You just had to get a grip on it, honestly. So yeah, take that off. You want to take this off over here. You most likely gonna need a tool for this. My hand's not good enough to get into that right there. Yeah, that's easy. That's real easy. Just be careful. Make sure you don't break anything. I mean, obviously me, it sounds like I'm breaking stuff, but if you just take your time a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just get in there. So just get in there, and it comes right off. Just please take your time. Remember, it is your car, okay? Oh, it's really easy, for real. Just be careful with the tabs. You got one right here, one right here, it's one right here, here, and then the 2 that was right here, and one right here too. So just be careful. Take your time. There's no rush. I'm sure you're not in a rush to install something. You want to take your time, make sure you do it right. All right, so next you want to, I guess, go ahead and move this out the way. There's no really specific order for removing stuff. Just get it out the way and remove it. Another thing you want to remove is this right here. There's 2 Phillips screws inside of it. One's right here, and the other one would be over here, but I never put it back when I installed my iDrive. If you want to know what the iDrive is this thing right here. Focus in, there you go. And then after you take the screw out, comes off, well, it was easy, but it just comes off. I think there's a tab stuck to it or something. Yeah, there's tabs stuck to it, guys. Just be careful. It comes off easily. You just gotta make sure you don't break any tabs. All right. When you're taking it off, make sure you be careful. Don't just yank it off. Take your time. And this right here, you just want to push in. There's 2 like right here, and then on the other side, just push those in and then push the white plug through. It's to release your trunk. Your hood. All right. So next step, you need to remove this part right here, this whole area. So just go ahead and pull it. There's more tabs. As you can see, the first one's right there. Pull it just like that. Take your time. Pull it down. There's 2 more down there. One's stuck right now. There we go. So now you want to take your cables out. You want to be very careful. Make sure you don't lose track of which ones go to which. You could just obviously see, from right to left or left to right, which ones goes to which. All right. And then you got this back here for, I think that was your hood release, right? Yeah, that's your hood release. So go ahead and take that out too. All right, I'm gonna go over this real quick. To take these out is real easy. It's just like any typical ones. You want to go ahead and press down on this part right here to take the plugs out. And then as for this right here, take the flathead screwdriver that they provided for you and push on this part right here, and it will come out very easily, okay? I know it seems like a lot right now, guys, but honestly, I thought the same exact thing. But all what I've done so far is literally so easy. So your next step is you need to turn your car on so you can turn your steering wheel. Ah, gosh. Turn your car on. Turn your steering wheel, and what you're gonna look at is this Phillips right here. You need to take out. Take this Phillips right here out. Sorry about that, get my Bluetooth turned on. And then after you take those 2 out, there's one more right here underneath. All right, so yeah, I don't even know how I got this on here, honestly. I don't even know why it's still on there. This thing's been on there for a long time. Anyway, you want to go ahead and just, you really just need to pull on it, honestly. You might want to get your trim tool and get in there, because it's not giving me any leisure right now. And you wiggle room to pull it down. Maybe this will help. Yeah, just as I thought, once you get your trim tool, I'm going to turn my car off. Once you get into that little spot, that little groove I showed you, it comes right out. Just pull it right down afterwards. All right, so now I'm gonna shut my door and open it back up so my car can stop beeping. They got annoying real quick. So now we can actually start that was honestly, once you get past all that was the hardest part, guys, because now what you want to look at is this plug right here. You want to go ahead and take that out just the same way I showed you earlier. It's a little right there in the front. You take that out, and then you're going to get the little kit, the little wiring kit that HRS supplies inside the box for you. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me use both my hands. All right. So this is what you're going to do, guys. I'm going to try to make this a little bit easier for y'all by laying my phone down. All right. So you're going to take this plug right here. You're going to insert it to the I guess the female part of the harness. Just like that. Wait, wrong way. Just like that. All right. And then you're gonna take the other plug and insert it just where you got that other plug, we took the plug out at. All right, just like that. See, this right here is just a relay. Don't worry about that. So and then you can improvise with this part. Straight improvise this part, because it's your car. I mean, you don't want the wires to be showing, so figure it out some way and get the wire going through there somehow, the cleanest ways possible. And yeah, it's nothing too serious. I just put a zip tie on this part because I ain't like the way it was dangling down. I just ran it through there, just kind of sloppily right now, until I don't really know what I want to do with it. But now you're pretty much at the very end. You go ahead and grab the heads-up display. Little screen. I have no idea where I put it. Oh wait, it's up here actually. All right, so I'm go ahead and put it right here. You want to run the wire down through it first. So you got a little spot, I would say right here. Inside here is where you want to put the wire inside. That way it could come out of here, and then you can figure out how you want to work the wiring down inside underneath there. All right, so I got the wire running through there, and then came right out of here. I just got it dangling right now. So when you're putting the actual thing inside there, just 2 tabs right there, one right there, one right there. Make sure you get those inside first. Fix the wire so it's not on top of the speaker. Best way you can. Make sure it's like around the speaker, and then you just go ahead and push this down. Okay, just like that. All right, so you want to go ahead and get your 2 plugs. This is them right there, and plug them together. All right, I gotta take it off, put it back on. That way you see. All right. And now you want to go ahead and get your protected film, this from earlier, and it's gonna go like right here. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out real quick. All right, so I'm back. I had to do some research on that inspection sticker, because I remember when they first put it on, they really messed it up. I'm not sure if y'all saw it, but it was a bunch of glue left over, and it was already going to fall off as it is. So I did my research and see if they could replace it for me. So after I finish all this, I'm gonna go to the New Jersey's MVC, whatever it's called, and get my inspection sticker replaced. But if you do have one and it is completely fine, there's no messed up glue and it's good, you can place this film right on top of it. So you'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so you want to peel this side first. The side that says 1, 1, 2, so do 1 first, and then you're gonna put it on your windshield, and then you're gonna peel the other side. All right, so it's on there. After you put it on there, this other little squeegee looking thing, I didn't know the name of it earlier, but now I know the name of it. You just want to go ahead and just push the bubbles out. Honestly, do your best you can to push all the bubbles out. It's like you're putting a screen protector on your phone. You know, those are never perfect, so do your best. If you're good at this type of work and you do tinting and stuff like that, you should have no problem with this. But just push the bubbles out, and then after you do it, guys, as you can see, I got about 1 or 2, maybe 3 or 4 tiny dots on there, but that's not really gonna bug me. That's what the second one is for. If it's really bothering you, you can go ahead and redo it. But go ahead and take off number 2, and it comes right off. All right. So that's what we're looking at. This is what it looked like from inside. All right. So now we're gonna start the car up. Well, guys, I started the car up. I can't believe I just went through all this crap just for this thing not to work. I'm highly upset right now, bro. Highly upset. I went through everything that the manual says, you know, no reaction, no display, there's a voltage. I unplugged it, all stuff, blew it out like it was a damn Game Boy freaking cartridge, and nothing is working, guys. Nothing is working. I'm so pissed, bro. I just went through all this freaking crap just to be disappointed. I'm pissed. On the flip side, I am gonna post this video for you guys to see. That's how you install it. Sadly, the ending didn't go as I wanted to, but it is what it is. I'll be contacting HRS to find out what's going on. Bro, I'm so pissed right now, bro. You have a good one, guys. Deuces.